Jen, good to see you. If I recall, you said something like this was coming. You know, we talked about how things were going heading into your event early in the summer. So how does this look? Is this what you expected? Is it stronger than you expected? And what's coming next as far as the demand environment?
Well, it's great to see you, John and Julia. Thanks for having me this morning. And yeah, we pride ourselves in being a company that does what it says it's going to do. So I'm thrilled with the results. Our business has accelerated with revenue growing over 30%. Our enterprise business in particular is seeing a lot of momentum where we now serve over 65% of the Fortune 100 and more than 45% of the Fortune 500. And we're particularly excited about new user growth, up 50% on the platform. And I think that's a reflection of some of these tailwinds we've talked about and anticipated in the past: digital acceleration, DevOps transformation, and cloud migration. And what we're seeing is as our customers kind of get into their new normal, they're reinvesting in strategic projects, and they really need to deliver on those brand experiences that their consumers are looking for, and expectations are going up. So that bodes really well for us, but I'm really thrilled with our execution this quarter.
I've been trying to say DevOps a lot over the past few quarters. People might have noticed. I mean, it's companies like you guys, Asana as well. We've had on Atlassian. We were just mentioning yesterday tools for the people who are building software. What's the next frontier there strategically that's going to get you growing perhaps even faster than the category itself? Is it more M&A, which you've done a bit of? Is it a different mode of accelerating large customers?
Well, you're absolutely right that developers have become incredibly influential across a business, and they continue to be champions for PagerDuty. And even with some of the hot talent market that we've seen in the past, when developers move from one company to the next, that has historically boded well for PagerDuty because they bring PagerDuty with them. We really see automation being a big accelerator in our business. Developers expect solutions that will help them do their jobs more effectively, more quickly, and with more fidelity. And with a platform that's highly resilient at scale, we're able to meet both the interests of developers and also the requirements of very large enterprise. So I think automation is going to continue to be a big theme for us going forward, as is AI ops and security operations, as well as customer service ops. And what's interesting about customer service ops, we talked a little bit about Cloudflare yesterday, who uses PagerDuty across their entire engineering org, but also adopted PagerDuty in their customer service teams. We're seeing more of that developer mindset in different functions of the business. And so I think you can expect to see technology adoption accelerating.
Yeah, Jennifer, I thought that Cloudflare note was so interesting. I'm wondering how important you think those partnerships and integrations will be going forward, and how many more of them you think could be on the horizon.
Well, our technology ecosystem is a deep defensive moat, in my view. We now integrate to over 600 technologies in the marketplace, which make PagerDuty an easy platform to deploy and one that you can integrate deeply into your organization. It essentially becomes infrastructure for our customers. And that's been an area of investment for us for years, and one that we're going to continue to invest in because we see integrations or connectors as the gateway to workflow automation. We also, recognize that our customers expect all of the different technology they use to work together seamlessly. They shouldn't have to rely on expensive rollouts and spending millions of dollars with systems integrators to get their platforms to work for them. So that's going to continue to be an area of innovation and investment for us.